Okay, and welcome to Shaving Down Under. We've got an unboxing video, and this box has come from Germany. So it's very light. There's not much weight into it. I am 99% certain what it is, and if I'm correct, this seems a bit of an overkill, but anyway, it is what it is. So I'm going to crack on into it and try not to cut fingers off at the same time. Looks like watch that out for that knife. Okay, so here's the prize. So we've got a lot of packing. Oh, there's something down the bottom here. Here we go. Service and quality directly from the manufacturer. Simbatech.de/com. Resolution. Is that starting to give it away there? Stahl Krone, I suppose that's pronounced, or Kronap, Solinger. Okay. Let's leave that there. Here's a box for you all to have a look at. Simbatech. Sorry, I'm teasing you. Okay. So one would think these are razor blades, and they are. I don't know anything about these blades at all, but I'm looking forward to giving them a crack. Being German, you know they're well made. Let's open one up. Careful with the blade here. Made in the EU, so maybe they're not German made. Let's get rid of some of this packaging so the camera can focus. Stainless ice tempered. I'm actually a bit excited about what's in the big box, and I think you've all worked it out what it will be. So I stumbled on this on eBay, and what I do these days is if I find something on eBay, I see if they've actually got a proper website. And that way there is a chance you'll get things cheaper, and the seller avoids the fees as well that go with eBay. Da, 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 da. Here we go. Oh, it feels stuck. It's idiot proof. That means I'm in trouble. Here we have it. Look at this little beauty. Now, I can't remember what the timber is made of. It could be mahogany, but look, I'm no wood merchant, so I would have to double check. That's pretty tight. So this caught my eye And if some of you have seen to my earlier videos, there's a razor, Jack the Barber, that's been sold by Woolworths Australia with exactly the same head. But I can tell you right now, this is a much better quality. This is actually quite heavy. It's good. And see, the razor ends are covered up, so there's no overhang. I'm looking forward to this. I really am. Here we go. That's beautifully made. Nothing printed underneath. So pop the razor on there, drop it on, and away you go. I'll do this the other way. Being right-handed. So there we go, people. So I will leave links in the description. Now, I must say that when I did go to buy this, it's a German site. You can click for English translation, probably up the top right somewhere of the page. And when it went to country to send to, it only listed European countries. So I emailed the company and told them about it, and they actually didn't realise. So hopefully they've changed it. But if you like this razor, the look of it, and you are keen, click on the link in the description. And if it is only, when you go to put sender's address, it's still only opening up for EU countries, email them, contact them, and tell them that you want to buy a razor and it's only showing European addresses, and they will ask you to send through the details of the product or products you wish to buy, and then they'll invoice you, and then you can pay with PayPal. But this is nice, and I'm looking forward to shaving with this. I really am. So keep an eye out for near future videos, because I will be using this. I will give one of these a run for its money at the same time, and we'll see what it's all about. Okay, thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the video, the unboxing video, and there will be more to come. So keep an eye out, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And more importantly, that little bell, click on that as well, so you'll get notifications for each of my new videos that come up. Okay, ciao for now.